yeah, once you kind of dive down a little bit deeper and have that conversation, there's that click, and then yeah, they really start to see where the efficiencies can come into play. One I've had a lot of more conversations with, I'm sure you're having a lot of them too, with especially moving more towards this digital market, is being able to have your customers order off of your website. I think that's one that's been really exciting. I've had a couple of other clients I've been working with that customers can just order through their website, get live freight rates, get accurate freight rates, right. And it just makes the buying process a lot easier. That's one thing I like to touch on a lot of my calls is your end customer experience, because you want them to keep buying from you. That's why I like calling them clients too. This customer, I say, is a one-time purchase. Clients are going to keep coming back and buying from you, and if you make it easy, they're going to keep doing it. Yep. So I think that's one of the more exciting things I like focusing on is if you have a website and you have products that you can add to your cart in your website, let's add in some shipping costs in there.
Right.
And just streamline everything. That can flow right into then your accounting system, into MyCarrier, and just having all your systems communicating digitally saves a ton of time. It helps these smaller companies scale. And that's one thing I always point out and touch on my calls with these companies is we want to help you grow. We don't want to just throw a crazy price at you, have it be a cost you're going to incur. We want this solution to help you scale and grow and blow the numbers you're doing this year out of the water for the following.